Listen, if people got health problems, and maybe we should go to that verse one time before I touch on that. If people got health problems, sickness, well, yeah, you use your contraceptive and whatever abortion, as the case may be, with the health situation based on your medical technicality. But hear what Allah says in Surah Al-Isra, because I'm reminding myself and you of these verses, because this is what the people out there tell you to do. You be very careful, be very careful. Allah says in this verse, Surah Al-Isra, chapter 17, verse 31, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. وَلَا تَقْتُلُوا أَوْلَادَكُمْ خَشْيَةَ إِمْلَاقٍ. Allah says, don't kill your children out of fear of poverty. And what is the world telling you to do to not have children? Out of fear of poverty, that you will not be able to maintain your children, the country will not be able to have enough resources, this, that, and the other, so you prevent them. Listen to this. You know, one very wise man once said that once upon a time, ignorant Arabs, in the days of ignorance, when their children were born, especially girl children, what did they do? They buried them alive. You all know that. Go read the history. In some countries, when girls were born, they would bury the little girls alive because they thought that girls were very expensive. When boys were born, they allowed the boys to live so that the boys can get at an age where they can work, earn, and bring an income to the family. See, so out of poverty and fear of poverty, they would kill these children. Allah is saying here, do not kill your children. وَلَا تَقْتُلُوا أَوْلَادَكُمْ خَشْيَةَ إِمْلَاقٍ. Allah forbids us from killing children out of fear of poverty. That if I have 4 or 5 children, I won't be able to send them to school. I won't be able to do this. I won't be able to get enough properties for them. I won't. Listen. That's just a misconception. Yeah? So the wise man once said that those days they used to bury children alive when they were born. Then he said another smarter group of people, when the children were in the womb of the mothers, they killed them in the form of what? Abortion. And he said another smart set of people put them in a condom. They prevent them from even coming in. See, this is just an intellectual way. Because if you have a child and you kill the child out of poverty, they're going to jail you today. So instead of killing the child and putting the child in a garbage bin, you put the child in a condom. See, because the world says, do not let the population grow because people will suffer.